Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Roblox Face Tracking not working. Okay, first things first, there are several reasons why Roblox Face Tracking might not work or show correctly in your account. And these include, first is age restriction. You are not 13 years old or older in your Roblox account. Second is region restriction. Face tracking might not be available in your region yet. Third is missing information. You do not have an email and phone number linked to your Roblox account. Fourth is settings. You have not enabled face tracking in your Roblox settings. Fifth is device compatibility. You are not using a compatible device with a webcam that will support Roblox face tracking. Six is game compatibility. The game you are playing might not support face tracking yet. And lastly is server issues. There could be a problem with the Roblox servers that you are joining. After hearing these possible reasons, you might want to check what applies to you and your Roblox account. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Roblox face tracking not working. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.